Hey guys, thanks for your interest in stone coat countertops. Every day we get asked by professionals like contractors and designers, art instructors, and folks that want to take stone coat countertops to the next level and start a business. They ask us, where do I begin? And our question is always the same. You start with sample boards. These are 12-inch by 18-inch MDF pieces of wood that we start, and we make creations that you see us make all the time on our YouTube channel. If you scroll through our YouTube channel, you'll see so many projects that we've done using that size of a board. And the reason we do that is because we are looking for the greatest recipes that can be found right here on our website. When we get a recipe that's out of the park and that we love it, we're gonna put it on our color recipe page. Not only that, is we put all the verbiage and everything that we did in text form so that you can not only see what we do, but you can follow it step by step and get very similar results. We always suggest starting there and becoming an expert in this field. That way, you're comfortable when you do work for a client and do want to do this kind of work and add it to your business or start a business brand new and work it from the ground up. So, where do we begin? Sample boards. Let me show you some of the sample boards that folks have made the very first time ever using our products. These are some samples that folks made that have never used our products before. Their samples are outstanding and they're just following simple recipes. All of our recipes are designed to be simple and repeatable. This is a Black Galaxy, this is a Carrera striated, this is some of our mica flakes, and then we got our striations that go right through this one, and basically this is showing you the colors are limitless. Here's some more samples. It doesn't take a lot of time and it doesn't take a lot of material to make a lot of little samples. You get a great feel for the products and you learn different techniques and you become comfortable to make amazing samples that you can show your customers and also bring to the job sites to let your customers see, touch, and feel and really know if they want this product in their home. We love giving customers that opportunity because they're always blown away. After doing a bunch of little samples, we also suggest starting with some bigger samples so you start to get the feel for how the product flows and the working time and what you can do on bigger surfaces. So after we do different size, smaller samples and we really get the hang of these techniques, that's when we do some big pieces. The big pieces give you realistic expectations of how long you have to work with the materials. It builds confidence, plus it'll show people in real world application what you can make. That's what we suggest doing after you've done small samples. Another thing that we suggest doing is learning how to sand and polish your surfaces. To get a very professional look, you want to master that technique. You can go watch us sand and polish this piece to a beautiful sheen level right there on our YouTube channel anytime. Okay, so you've made your samples and you're ready for the next step. We always suggest doing a minimum of 10 samples. What that does is it gives you some variety to show your potential clients. If you're a contractor looking for countertop work, make sure you're using colors that would fit that genre. You want to make sure that your customers love your classic earth tones and Carrera marbles and that kind of thing. If you're an art instructor, you're going to use vibrant colors that really catch the eye to set you apart from the other people in the resin world. After that, it's time to connect professionals with people looking for your services. How do we do that? We use modern platforms such as Facebook and YouTube to connect the two. We like to use Facebook Ads Manager to be able to find demographics in specific areas. Here in Oregon, I'll go right to Medford. I can pick my demographic. If somebody's searching for countertops or marble or granite, I can find out exactly what keywords they're looking for, and then we have to put up an ad showcasing what we can do. That's why we videotape what we're doing so that we can show the world our techniques, and the visual interest is incredible. When you're able to show somebody how you create this, they just fall in love. So that's how we do it. We're going to go on Facebook Ads Manager and create an ad. What is a winning ad and what do you do when you have a winning ad? First of all, you've got to set yourself apart from other people in the countertop industry. Everybody knows granite, everybody knows marble, but not everybody can afford it. So you want to give a great price point. When you have a good price point and an excellent product, The two are a winning home run. So that's what we do, is we're going to show people what we can do in our videos. We show them the colors that we can achieve, and then we offer them a price point that they can't refuse. Anybody who's done any research on countertops knows that here in our area, we charge about the same as what laminate prices are if they were installed by the big box stores. If you keep your prices competitive, you'll never look for work again. That's one of the key points. If you don't have a contractor's license and you're not ready for that step, there's plenty of places to start. We have folks that start refinishing tables and furniture, making wood slabs, selling those online, or even out of garage sales off their front lawn. You can really use this to catapult you to the next level while you gain experience. We're always willing to help. Free phone support from our office anytime. We love helping people start their businesses and watch them succeed. Another group of individuals that we love working with is art instructors and artists. Adding resin to your genre of art is incredible. What you can do is second to none. So we have artists that like to use our products, but we found that when they teach others and run classes, it really helps them get established in their area. It helps them monetize that platform, make money with what they become an expert at. One of the big benefits that we love about using Facebook Ads Manager is that we get to choose those demographics, and when people watch our video, that's when we pay. We don't just pay to have it impressed to a bunch of people. That's key. You don't just want to pay for banner ads that go out to a bunch of people that may or may not be interested in what you have to offer. That's important. One of the big benefits to using Facebook Ad Manager is when you pick those demographics, you don't pay for somebody to view your video unless they watch it for a certain period of time. It's also being delivered on a silver platter to folks that are already looking for something that you're offering. It's really effective, and we found great results. It was a lot of work to figure out how to place these, get a winning ad, know what people need to hear, and do it in a short period of time that you don't lose interest. We're happy to help you place those ads. We can teach you how to make a video, or we also have templates of videos that we can put your phone number on. After you've showed us your samples, you got to make sure that you're legal to work in your area and licensed for what you're doing, and we always are willing to work with folks like that. We want to help your business grow because it's going to help our business grow. It's a win-win combination. Contact us anytime. Our customer support is always willing to walk you through any part of the process that you have questions on. We have ads ready to go right now to place your business on and get your phone ringing today. Call us anytime and visit us at stonecoatcountertops.com. We'll talk to you soon.